So great! You can easily do it. The folding function is well designed to perfectly make the fan into the airframe, so that you can put in the pocket, bags, and so on. Everything is so perfect and convenient. We will make the aircraft simpler. You can never feel that the drone can be carried as smartphones, so light and powerful. So, what you should do when you want to use the drone? Will you take it out of the heavy box? Will you install the fan? No. You need not. You need not. All you have to do is to take out the drone and unfold it. Look, so easy. It is a drone belonging to yourself. You can travel with it and record your life. The small airframe contains powerful performance. HD camera, 1 key return, 6-axis gyroscope, high atmospheric pressure, a key rolling, and so on. Oh, okay, stop. Yep, just like what you can see. You can also use the mobile phone app to control the aircraft through the Wi-Fi. Through real-time transmission picture, you can know the flight state of the aircraft. Well, perhaps you would ask, can such a small body fly outside? Well, about this question, why? Look, just like this.